This amazing Birchwood FSW with media floor plan from First Texas Homes in the Garden Valley Meadows community in Waxahachie, Texas, is a 4-bedroom, 3 1/2 baths, 3-car garage floor plan that offers 3,417 square feet of luxury to suit your family's needs. This eye-catching 2-story home plan features brick and stone masonry and an oversized covered front porch that offers amazing curb appeal. As you pass through the beautiful custom double-door entry to the foyer of this Birchwood floor plan, you'll find high ceilings, custom-framed openings, and engineered wood floors throughout. Right off the foyer is an elegant formal dining room with high ceiling, featuring custom exposed wood beams, wainscoting panels, and beautiful bay windows looking out into the front yard. Pass through the 15-light French door into the private study with coffer ceiling, crown molding, wainscoting panels, and beautiful windows, making this a perfect home office. Also, adjacent from the private study, you will find a full powder bath with shower and custom tile. Tucked away is the media room with high ceilings, unique lighting, surround sound wiring, and savant automation, perfect for family entertaining. The California kitchen features a huge island with quartz marble countertops, decorative backsplash, 42-inch custom cabinets with upper-in lighting, butler's pantry, built-in stainless steel appliances, including stainless steel double oven and microwave, and a 5-burner gas cooktop with wooden hood vent. The adjacent breakfast nook is bathed in natural light and flows seamlessly into the family room, where you'll find a beautiful spiral winding oak staircase with Juliet balcony, marvelous high ceilings, large beautiful windows, and a floor-to-ceiling cord-aisle fireplace. The private master suite features a tray ceiling with crown molding and unique lighting, beautiful windows, and a cozy reading area. The master bath features a split vanity with makeup area, a deep relaxing jetted garden tub, and extended walk-in shower with custom tiles and large master closets. Upstairs, you'll find a game room with pre-surround sound wiring and plenty of space for the kids to relax, study, or simply do their own thing. 3 additional secondary bedrooms with vaulted ceilings, ceiling fans, spacious closet space, a conjoining bathroom with barn doors, and another full bath complete the second floor. The Birchwood floor plan also includes a Texas-sized covered patio and a huge backyard with plenty of room for entertaining family and friends. This magnificent Birchwood FSW with media floor plan is now available in the community of Garden Valley Meadows in Waxahachie, Texas. Call or visit First Texas Homes to find out more about building the Birchwood FSW with media floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.